Hello, this is Joe. So trying something else here. So this is one of the slide outs where there's a bed, a king size bed, and it's normally just the plywood, which is the same plywood on the underside of the slide box. I believe there's a couple layers of plywood and there might be some insulation in between, but I went ahead and added some extra 1-inch foam insulation board. I cut it to fit the slide box here and came out just past the actual slide box. And then I also built up the sides, which come up just to the bottom of the window trim here. And then I sealed it up with some of the aluminum tape to kind of seal any gaps between the boards. And then I did a piece all the way across. I know I do have a little bit of a gap here because our headboard is got a couple of insets here. But I'm going to try this and see if this helps with temperature. I did notice that when it gets into the 30s, that our bed starts getting a little cool. So I'm going to try this and see if this helps with the temperature. Thanks for watching.